to my channel. Today on my channel I will be making tropical juice. Here are the fruits I will be using today. Come with me guys and let's get started. First, I'm going to start by chopping up my fruits. As you can see, my fruits have been chopped up nicely. Now it's time to blend. In goes all my fruits, in goes my orange juice, and blend. Blend until it is smooth. Now it's time to remove the juice. As you can see, it's been properly blended. Afterwards, I'm now going to sieve the juice to ensure all the fruit bits are removed. As you can see, it's smooth and it's ready to serve. Remember guys, it is summer. Now it's time to enjoy all our yummy summery fruits and juice. Wow, look at that, it is yummy. What are you waiting for guys? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.